4.5 billion years ago, a young sun burned in a cloud of gas and dust. Around it, tiny particles began to stick together. Dust became rocks. Rocks became mountains in space. Mountains collided and formed a fiery young Earth. The newborn Earth was violent. Volcanoes erupted everywhere. Lava covered the surface. Space debris constantly crashed into the planet. Then, a massive object appeared. A Mars-sized world, later called Theia, drifted toward Earth. Two worlds moved closer. Gravity pulled them together. And then, impact. The collision was catastrophic. Rock melted instantly. Debris exploded into space. A ring of molten rock formed around Earth. The scattered fragments circled the planet. Slowly, gravity pulled them together. Days passed. Years passed. Thousands of years passed. The glowing debris merged into one body. A new world was born. The Moon. At first, the Moon was much closer to Earth. It looked enormous in the sky. The young Moon glowed with heat and molten rock. Over millions of years, the Moon cooled. Its surface hardened. Craters formed from asteroid impacts. Meanwhile, Earth began to change. Volcanoes released gases. Clouds formed. Rain fell for thousands of years. Oceans filled the planet. And above them, the Moon watched. The Moon's gravity pulled the oceans. Tides formed. Earth's rotation slowed. The planet stabilized. The Moon became Earth's silent partner, guiding tides, stabilizing seasons, shaping life. Even today, the Moon slowly drifts away, about 3.8 centimeters each year, but it remains Earth's closest companion. A reminder of a violent birth and a cosmic collision that shaped our world forever. 4.5 billion years